watching this video to find out more about our Heroes Stamp Design competition that the school is participating in. So the competition is put on by Royal Mail, and the whole idea is that we are creating a stamp set of 8 stamp designs, and these stamps will actually go on real letters to be sent around the UK and even across the world. All children aged 4 to 14 in the UK can participate. Eight designs will be chosen by Royal Mail for this series, and one of the designs could be yours. Even the Queen is going to have to approve this stamp design so she could see some of your drawings. In addition, you could win one of 120 prizes, and if the winning design is chosen from Parkside School, we could be given some money to do an art project or towards more art supplies, which would be fantastic. Since the pandemic began, there have been many people who have done great things. So this stamp set is meant to commemorate our heroes over the past year and a half. There have been people who have volunteered, key workers, lots of just normal people doing really extraordinary things to help us get through this past year and a half, and really make sure that we're okay during this difficult time. Have a think about who your heroes may have been during the pandemic. Who will you honour on your stamp? Some ideas are in the slides that are coming, but of course it's up to you. You might want to think of your own as well. So people like Captain Sir Tom Moore, who raised loads of money for the NHS, NHS staff themselves like doctors, nurses, people who have tried to help keep us healthy and keep us safe. Even your teachers might be considered heroes through this pandemic. Other people like refuse collectors, cleaning staff. I think cleaning staff are so important, and emergency services like police officers, paramedics and firefighters. Other people like delivery drivers, supermarket workers and public transport workers have had to keep working all through this year and have been really important in order to make sure we still have food and things like that. Other people like scientists, military personnel and food bank volunteers might be great ideas to use in your stamp design as well. Can you think of anybody else? Being a stamp designer, you've got to think about the fact that a stamp is a very small thing. So make sure that your drawings, your ideas, your design are very bold, very eye-catching. So you will have received this entry form from your teacher already. Your design has to go inside of this box. Please don't draw outside of the box because that won't be included in the stamp design. The work that you do must be your own original work. Remember, it is a competition for children aged 4 to 14, not for adults, so make sure it is your own drawing. Your drawing must be flat, don't stick things onto the picture either. On the side of the design page here, it does have an address for you to send it to, but I would like you to give it in to your teacher instead, because I'm going to choose a winner from each year group too. So if you'd like to be considered in that competition, please give it in to your teacher. Use lots and lots of colour on your design, not just black and white. And it does say here not to use highlighters because that won't show up on the design. Please do not draw the Queen symbol because it's already here in the corner of the stamp. Please hand in your design to your teacher by Monday the 24th of May. And as I said, I will also choose a winner from each year group. So that'll be 6 winners across the school. Good luck, have fun, really think about who is your hero being through this pandemic and enjoy creating your stamp design. Thank you in advance for everybody who participates. I really hope you have fun and I can't wait to see all of your designs.